What is it? Everybody be calm and quiet. Don't talk until I say so. We are in a school, not in a zoo. Do you understand me?
The victim's 23 years old history teacher. We still don't know if this is a murder, but we found a bottle of water. Anyway, we'd better see the body.
History teacher, huh? Well, it looks like she is a part of it now.